The Uttarakhand tragedy is a concern. Once again, the Congress has tried to politicize this entire matter, with the former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand now questioning the rescue operations. Now, with more than 58 deaths in Uttarakhand after the glacier break in Chamoli, forces have basically intensified the rescue operations and are working on a war footing. However, the Congress has now politicized the operations. Uttarakhand Chief Minister has said that there is not enough equipment.
Since glacier break wreaked havoc in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district, 2 tunnels of an NTPC hydropower project in Tapovan area have been at the center of rescue operations. At least 58 bodies have been recovered and the search operations continue for the other missing workers. Despite several central and state rescue agencies like NDRF, SDRF, security forces like Indian Army, ITBP, Indian Navy, CISF and several other teams working round the clock, rescue teams have now come under scrutiny. As the nation stands with the forces, Congress is attempting to politicize the tragedy. Criticizing the efforts of rescue teams, Congress leader and former Uttarakhand Chief Minister Harish Rawat raised questions on the entire operation.
जिस प्रकार से रेस्क्यू वर्क चला है, ऐसा नहीं है कि रेस्क्यू वर्क में जो लगे हुए थे उनके डेडिकेशन में कोई कमी थी या उनके साहस में कोई कमी थी या उनकी तरफ से कोई कमी थी, मगर हम इक्विपमेंट नहीं जुटा पाए, हम तकनीक का उपयोग नहीं कर पाए इस सब काम में। हमारे पास एनटीपीसी वहीं पर एनटीपीसी का क्या लेआउट प्लान है टनल का, वो लोगों को मालूम नहीं हो पाया जो उसके काम में लगे हुए थे। ड्रिलिंग आदि या ऑक्सीजन कैसे पहुंचाई जाए, इन सब विषयों पर बाद में सोचा गया।
Harish Rawat added that the implementation of the entire rescue operations have failed its purpose. Meanwhile, the state irrigation minister said that while rescue operations are underway in full swing, all angles of the Chamoli tragedy will be examined.
जिस प्रकार से ये हादसा हुआ है और ग्लेशियर निकले हैं और तूफान आया है, बहुत ज़्यादा ये एक किस्म से टाइडल वेव इसने पैदा की है, एक सुनामी पैदा कर दिया पूरे हमारे पहाड़ के अंदर, तो बड़ा चिंता का विषय है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि सारे पक्षों की जांच होनी चाहिए।
Apart from rescue teams, a team of ISRO scientists are now studying the cause of the glacier burst. Revisiting the tunnels every day to look for signs of life while monitoring day-to-day progress, the rescue teams are leaving no stone unturned in their efforts to search the missing. Bureau Report, Republic TV.